Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat in with Grok Trade with the trade of the day, and it was on PLTR. Here it was after opening. It made a little dip and then it had a high base, then it had another high base, and it was on its third high base right here. Want to know more about what a high base is? Go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school. That's right. So here's free online trading education. And then right up here, you go chart school. Let's go to that. Here are the different chart patterns that we trade right here. And this one was called a high base. So we're going to click on that. And you can see a description of a high base right here. And it goes up and it's just it's a line of resistance. If it breaks out above that area, then we want to get in long, and that's what I was all set up ready to do here. Here's a couple examples of it on real charts. On these happen to be daily charts here, and here's one here. Look at that, bam, huge breakout there. So let's take a look here at our situation here. So I set a trade up right here just above this wick here and ready to go. And I have a 1% attached stop, which will automatically activate if I get in. So let's see what happened next. Oh, there it is. I'm in now here at 26.26. I'm long on PLTR with a stop at 26.02. All right, let's see what happened next. Kabam. Look at that. In the next minute, it dropped. And it stopped me out at my stop at 26.02 was my fill. So, yeah, and then look at this. Then what happened after that? Look, it continued to fall right to its 200 moving average here, and then base there for a while, and then fell again. And then look at that. It just continued to fall all the rest of the, for the next half hour. It just fell. Oh, well. We call this a death hook, where it sucks you in and then it starts to fall on even larger volume. So this total trade was for minus 0.9% in 2 minutes. Oh, well, again, we just go for a 60% win rate, which means 6 out of 10 trades we make money. But the second part of that equation is even more important, and that is that your average income trade is 1.6 times more than your average expense trade. And between those two statistics, you can make money in the long term. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that the biggest risk in the market is yourself. Trade well and may your winners